So Indian markets, you have to admit, have been very well behaved in light of all of this as well. A lot of uncertainty, except for that May period when Operation Sindoor was in play. Indian markets, have you been surprised by the resilience?
Not really. I mean, I was expecting this because the capital flow into the economy is the biggest revolution India is facing. I'm telling you. Indian businesses never had it so good. Believe me. After 2020's, the demat account revolution which is happening, the retail is coming in full swing. That is changing every aspect of Indian business. First, availability of risk capital. You look at the amount of capital which is available, and anybody can sell $1 billion, and the even stock doesn't move. So that has never happened, and not one ticket is happening like that. I mean, every week, 2, 3, 4 tickets of $1 billion is happening. So that's it's broadening the market, obviously, but it is also, kind of deepening the market and saying that yes, $1 billion, $2 billion is a pass, So it's making the market very resilient, and the flow of capital is still on, despite the fact that index in last 1 year has done barely 7-8%. And yet, it's not that it is the euphoric capital. Capital is coming despite the fact that market has done just about okay. So there is a clear shift from the fixed income to risk capital. I mean, so-called financialization of savings, which had to happen. You can't be 5-6%, 7% participation rate. So as we become from 4 trillion to 8 trillion, we might go to 15%, 70%. We will become the most crowded equity market in the world in a positive way. Most crowded, and even number of stocks will be most crowded. Look at 300 million, 400 million companies are getting listed. I mean, every day you have 2 or 3 companies. I mean, we might have 150, 200 listings in next 1 year. So at this pace, we might have 1,000 more listings in next 5 years. So 5-6 years. So what I'm saying is it will be a very vibrant market. Of course, there will be a lot of consolidation as we go along. A lot of companies will shut down, they'll fail. But a lot of stars will also come out from this. And I'm every day visiting various companies, and companies are coming here. And we are seeing it's a very different kind of a confidence among the corporates. And they're so happy to see 400 crores, 500 crores, 1,000 crores for their wonderful projects.
True.
Which was not available earlier.
Yeah.
At early stage, who was giving them 100, 200 crores?
That's true.
Today there is lineup of private equity, public equity, even the private family offices, they are giving money. So there's a lot of corporate activity. I think capital market is in a boom condition, not exactly vertically, but horizontally also.
Right.
So you see all the promoter holding. Promoter holding in India is about 45-50%. So out of 450 lakh crores market cap, 225 lakh crores lying with some 1,000 families.
Yeah.
And now they are saying that, okay, we have our stuff, but let me diversify my own portfolio also. So they are selling at the margin 1 or 2%, 3%, and putting into the market, creating family offices and managing their wealth.